Hello all, welcome to a self-help video where we show how a customer can buy a multi-domain DV SSL certificate from the emSign portal. Let's get started. Log in into emsign.com. Click on the Compare and Buy button. Please choose the validity period for the certificate. In this demonstration, we will be selecting a validity period of 1 year. Click Buy Now to proceed to the next step. You will now be navigated to the next page. Enter your email ID in the respective input field. Click on Proceed to continue the process. An OTP will be sent to your registered email. Enter the OTP in the field provided, and click Proceed to continue. Now, you will be guided to the subscriber portal. You can view the product summary on the right side of the screen. Click on the Number of Domains drop-down menu to select the number of domains to be added. Here we are adding 4 domains. Select your preferred mode of payment. You have the flexibility to choose between INR or USD. Here we are selecting INR as our preferred mode of payment. Enter the required details, your name, mobile number, address, and country in the respective fields. You can choose to deselect the GSTIN option by selecting No if applicable. Enter your company name, state and other details in the respective fields. Click on Proceed to Pay to continue with the process. You will now be directed to the payment page. Enter your card details, including card number, CVV, name, and other necessary information. Click on Pay button to proceed. You will now be directed to the payment summary page. Click on Proceed. You will be navigated to the Order Details page. Now enter the certificate information including domain name and additional domain names in the input fields. Click on the checkbox stating the terms and conditions of the subscriber's agreement. Click on Proceed to continue. Now, click Proceed for verification to start the verification process. You will be navigated to the next page, where you can follow the mentioned steps to complete the verification process. Click on Domain Verification. Now click on Verify Domain. Select the DCV method from the drop-down menu. Here we are selecting constructed email for demonstration purposes. Select the email address from the drop-down menu under the Choose Any Email Address option. Click on Send Email to send the verification code to the selected contact email address. A pop-up stating Domain Control Validation Email has been sent successfully will appear on the screen. Click on OK. Copy the verification code you received via email. Click on Verify Your Domain. Enter the verification code in the input field and click on Submit for verification. Please note, if the base domain and subdomain is the same, verification will occur in a single instance. Now we will proceed to the CSR verification. In another tab, open your email. You will receive and add your certificate signing request, CSR, on your registered email ID. Click on Add your CSR to proceed with the verification process. You have the option to upload or paste the CSR. Here we are pasting the CSR in the verification window. Open your certificate utility tool. Enter your domain name. Click on Generate CSR. Click on the Copy CSR option to copy. Paste the same on the verification window. Click on Submit for verification to proceed. A pop-up message stating CSR validated successfully will appear. Click on OK. Click on Proceed for verification. Now you can download your certificate from your registered email for easy access. Thank you for choosing eMudra for your SSL certificate needs.